Doctor?
I'm afraid not.
It's been weeks.
All we can do is hope and pray now, Stuart.
Frighten the life out of us, Hiccup. That's what the matter is. He's not in for weeks, and I thought we lost you. I couldn't have borne this.
Dad, don't my leg.
Got maybe a new one. You'll get the hang of that soon enough.
It's based on an earlier design, but with the latest technological developments. So you and Toothless will be even more dependent on one another now.
Aye, things have changed around here. Thanks to you and Toothless.
Hiccup!
Astrid!
Oh! What was that for? That's for scaring us. And this is for everything else.
Astrid and I have got something to show you, son.